For this problem, we have to start by writing an inequality. Parking in Laura's parking garage costs $5.50 flat rate plus an additional $1.75 per hour. If Miguel has at most $23 to spend on parking, how many hours can he park for? So our unknown here, our variable is h, because we're looking for how many hours he can park. We're going to use the keywords from the word problem. At most 23 means it can be less than or equal to 23. Now the $5.50 flat rate means you only pay that once. So that does not get multiplied by anything, but the number of hours gets multiplied by $1.75 because of the word per. So we're going to add 175 times h. So this is the inequality that goes with the word problem. In order to solve the problem, now we would solve the inequality. Just like solving an equation, we use inverse operations. So we would subtract $5.50 from both sides first, which gives us 1.75h equals 1750, or not equals, is less than or equal to 1750. And then if you divide both sides by 1.75, we get h is less than or equal to 10. That is the solution to the problem, and it means that Miguel can park for at most 10 hours. Putting this on a graph, we want to number the number line a little bit, and then we would use a closed circle because he can afford 10 hours or less, so the arrow goes to the left. The next situation, Charles is saving $5 each week. He earns an extra $15 by mowing his neighbor's lawn. How many weeks will he need to save in order to have at least $75? So our keywords here, each week, and then how many weeks. So W is our variable, which stands for the number of weeks that he'll be saving. So $5 per week. And then it's an extra $15, which we're thinking only happens once, so that does not get multiplied by W. And then at least $75 means 75 or more, so that would be greater than or equal to 75. Then we solve this again like solving an equation, inverse operations, subtract 15 from both sides. 5W is greater than or equal to 60. And then since 5 is being multiplied, we divide by 5 to get W is greater than or equal to 12. So on the graph, close circle on 12, add a few more numbers in here, and it goes to the right because after 12 weeks, he'll have more than $75. So let's check this one. Let's use a number that's bigger than 12, maybe 14, and we'll go back and replace the W with 14. So our check would be 5 times 14 plus 15 is greater than or equal to 75. 5 times 14 is 70. 70 plus 15 is 85, which is greater than 75. So the check works.